The Portland police say they're following strong leads after an explosion at an automated teller machine ATM in the parish. According to reports, the incident happened minutes after 4 Saturday morning at the Scotiabank branch in Port Antonio. Shattered glass laid more than 60 feet from the ATM in the City Plaza complex. According to the Jamaica Fire Brigade, the team responded quickly, but the damage was already done.
On arrival, the fire brigade saw fire coming from an area that housed the ATM machines. We got into operation, and after about 5 minutes the fire was brought under control and later extinguished. Damage was kept to the ATM machines, the machine room, a bathroom, and 2 offices and some equipment. We, at the present time, have investigators on scene trying to ascertain the cause of the fire.
Head of the Portland Police Superintendent Kenneth Chin said the loss is in the millions.
The initial information that we received is that the loss is in excess of $12 million. We are unable to say at this time whether or not how much it will exceed that, because when we did closer analysis and inspection of the premises, it is substantially more based on what the damage which is seen on the inside.
Superintendent Chin also said there is no suspect at this time, but the police have identified a person of interest.
Based on the information that we have at this time, we believe that the explosion was caused by some criminal activity. So we are following strong leads, and we have teams from various departments within the Jamaica Constabulary Force on location. We have persons from Kingston who are assisting in the investigation, and we will continue to do all that we can to get to the bottom of this incident.
Now, one person was injured in the incident. That person remains in hospital.